drill this. I've got one screw here. This bit out. And then I got a screw over there. I'll put that in a minute. So let's screw this back a little bit. Hey, since this is loose, people that used to live here left an extension cord underneath it in the correct way, so all my stuff keeps going backwards, back. Every time I try to get a plate out, put a plate in, the rack will, how am I going to get this out? Lift this up, and then scoot that under, right?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. This up, scoot that under. There. Yay! Now I can mop straight across and everything. Look at that! Okay, so now I need to scoot this in so I can get it flush, so I can screw the holes, and that's the problem, is this. It's broke. So I'll have to, I can't screw it straight into the counter. So there's a space over here, so let's move this over that way. I need to clean there. Move this over here, maybe. And then I get some wood to screw into. Gosh, it's like this needs to be lifted up off the floor. It's like the little cabinet is too high. But we're gonna make it work, because I don't want that to fall on me again. No, that's too low. Alright, Smyrna, here you go. You want to record?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold it. Put your paintbrush down. Record me drilling, and if you want to do that. She has to do that, so I'll let her do that. Let me get this little screw. I need to straighten that. Where did I put that screw at? Where did I put the other screw? It was here. Maybe Haney took it. Huh. Maybe Haney took it. Okay, so we'll just have to work with one for right now. So I find the other one. I'll open this so you can get in there. Put that screw on. Line it up. Make sure you have a fresh hole, because you don't want to go in the same steel hole that came out of. Make sure it's on. I think that's reverse. You going straight in? Yeah. I think the screw's too long.
Ooh.
That's the same screw they had in there last time, though. I think that screw's too long. I'm not going to want to run in the cabinet, so let me go find another screw. Yeah. Okay, so this one's kind of bent. I just not noticed that. We'll try it. After moving, we didn't really separate all our stuff. We haven't been in the garage that much, so we have a bunch of stuff that still needs to be put away into jars and separated, so I can't really find all the screws yet.
Now we have to do a garage sale.
Yeah, we have garage sale stuff. Look, the cord came out again. What is that? Oh. Ridiculous. It's trying to sneak out.
What is the cord?
It's the one that keeps the power going. Now I have to screw the dishwasher back again. Oh, that won't work. But I think it's like tilting up. And this shrink cabinet. Come on. Okay.
I think it's not tilting up.
It's stuck in the wood behind. There, okay. Let's put this over, we want a fresh hole, blah, blah, blah. Alright, where to put the screw? Samara. Oh my goodness, it's like I'm not supposed to fix this dishwasher. Where's the screw? Eva! Eva got the screw, you little fart, you're gonna choke on that. Dang cat's gonna try to eat a screw.
Because you left it down.
Ding dong cat.
You left it down just like a world left the needle. For peaches to eat. And to die. I don't want to take it off that. Okay, it's out. Please. Angel, just don't do that. Okay.
So as I'm fixing the dishwasher,
Mama has to do the boom.
he was cuddling with.
Lay down.
Yeah, lay down. Mama gonna do it. He doesn't like loud noises. Like he won't like freak out really bad and cry. But he has a safe zone, which is the couch, and he feels safe as long as he's up on the couch or with somebody. Okay, here you go, Samira. Let's try this again. I got the screw back from the stupid cat. We had a cat with a needle once where he had it up on the table, and the cat somehow jumped in the chair, grabbed the string, pulled the string down to the floor, and somehow swallowed the needle, but it still had the string on it, and opened its mouth and got the needle straight out. That's the same hole. I don't want that hole, so I'm going over here. Come on. Why is this stupid wood so hard to drill into? You are going the right way, right? That's left. Righty tighty, lefty loose. Okay, so I got some screws. They're over there. And we'll see if we can get her done. Get her done! Screw. Open. I'm going to sit down because maybe not. Alright. Make sure the cord's still. Oh, okay. Get the cord still under. Stop! Turn up. It goes so fast you can't see. That's where it's going. Crap. Looks like I need to drill a hole in this thing. Try this again. No, that's backwards. Okay, I'm trying to get the screw. That was like sharp enough or something. God damn it. Get back under there. Cord still? Cord still. Okay. This is getting ridiculous. It's kind of hard because you're going up. Get in! Gosh. There. One. One down. When you gotta do it, do it. Do it to it. Here goes. Second one. I know what the problem is. There's an old screw that's in there. So I can't get the dumb thing in there. Gotta use some elbow grease. This one gotta be cut at an angle because it's broke. Yeah, that's rotten. Damn it. Why are they using paper and not wood for wood? Cheap people. You gotta build something, use wood. Don't use cardboard paper. I can't get the screw in. Okay, let's try up a little bit. It'll look funky, but whatever. Try over here. right here. Now, maybe. What the heck is in the top of the... What the heck? Piece of candy got in there? How the heck did that happen?
I released my bunny cup and the egg hatched,
Right.
but there's nothing coming out of it.
Huh. Don't know,